So, you'll be probably thinking, the oldest swimming pool in Singapore, memorable swimming pools in Singapore, but one of the oldest that I've searched in history, which is not currently in use anymore, and it used to be a swimming pool where all the villagers went there and gather around to swim. Yeah, that's the Keppel Hill Reservoir. That's what they call it now. But before we go anywhere, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna prepare for my hike tomorrow, my exploring tomorrow. So I'm gonna bring my buddy with me, Kai Jie. You'll be seeing him in the video later, in the later part. Yeah, he'll be going with me. And yes, okay, so I'm gonna wear, it's either gonna wear the Timberland short hiking boots, or the high cut hiking boots up there. Okay, and I'm gonna wear a dry fit shirt. I don't know what color, but hopefully it looks good on camera and both in photos too. Gonna wear shorts and a long tights. Okay, gonna get my North Face cap and my North Face bag, so to put my Ronin GIMBAL SC, my lenses. So yeah, that is all what I'm gonna bring it. And everything, woken up to this bloody all red eyes because I just hadn't had enough sleep last night. Slept at like 1+ AM, and yeah, it sucks.
Hello. It's called what? It's called adventure for a reason. You must explore the unknown.
Right. So we just arrived at a Telok Blangah, I mean Harbourfront. So we're just gonna explore the World War II bunker, the Seah Imm Bunker, and we're gonna go to, what's that place? The Keppel Hill Reservoir and the Japanese tomb.
I think so.
So we just need to find a big tree which is over there. We just patch through and let's go. So we just like couple of steps and we just arrived at the Seah Imm Bunker.
Sure.
And it's surprisingly dark. So without further ado, let's explore this shit.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Just arrived at the Keppel Hill Reservoir. There was a lot of people just now when we came, but now they have disappeared. I don't know to where, maybe to the Japanese tomb, maybe. But the reservoir has a bit of history behind it. Whoa. What happened just now?
Yeah, so we were climbing up the very steep one, as you can see from this video, right? So I was supposed to climb out. So after that, in front, right, there's a fallen tree, right? Then I saw one black figure with a white color face, right, looking at me. I was so terrified, you know. My heart beats super fast.
So for my side, I didn't actually see anything lah. But then, since you already signal something, and I'm a guy that can actually sense stuff, right? I don't really sense anything, but I can, you know, sixth sense lah. So after a hike, we decided to grab a drink at the store, and yeah, cheers. It's good.